everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the biggest dilemma most of us have, especially during this lockdown: what to draw or how to start drawing or painting. So let's get started. We all have been here, haven't we, with a blank page in front of us and don't know what to draw. We can always start with the little things lying around in our house. For example, I'm going to show you some of my sketches. Maybe it can be helpful for you. I have sketched my own backpack. It doesn't have to be a very detailed sketch, but you can experiment with it. We don't always realize this, but the best subject matter is in front of our own eyes, our own hand. You can study your own hand in different positions, the lines on your palms. It will be a very fun activity to do. You can even experiment with lines, with the color of the paper, anything. You can also sketch the place in your house where you spend your most of the time. Like I have drawn my study table, my chair. Sometimes we don't feel like drawing or painting. You can express yourself through colors. Pick up any colors you have in front of you. I filled these sketchbooks with different kind of colors, with palette knife, with my fingers. It was very calming thing to do. You can also try it. It doesn't have to be an object or any color combination. It can be any color you see in front of you. Or you can even scribble in your sketchbook with pencil colors, any random color combination, any color you like. It will be a very fun thing to do. Just do whatever you want to do and don't be afraid to do it. Just keep on experimenting with different mediums and materials. One of my favorite things to draw and paint is nature, plants, leaves, the texture of each leaves. You can also try studying. Most of us have plants around us. If you don't have plants, please plant more trees. We can study nature around us, the plants, the leaf, their texture, how their texture look after they are dry, like I have done in this sketchbook. And if you like making comic books, you can also make comic books. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be a stick figure comic book or normal comic book without any color, just a pen sketch. Just keep on experimenting with different kind of material, different kind of paint, different kind of subject matter, and you will definitely enjoy working in your sketchbooks. Keeping a sketchbook is a great thing. You can choose a sketchbook according to you, a tiny sketchbook or a very big sketchbook with the thick pages or thin pages, whatever suits you the most. It can also be a black sketchbook with black pages or a sketchbook with many multicolored pages. Or you can use these pages and combine them by making your own customized sketchbook. I will show you later in the end of this video. You can also use ruled sketchbooks to add a different texture to your sketching or painting. In this sketchbook, I have pasted different kind of pages from different sketchbooks, like this box pages or ruled pages, to create a different texture for each page. You can even use colored pages and compose it in your way, like this one. Just keep on experimenting with different medium, different kind of paper, pages. It doesn't have to be a perfect masterpiece. You just have to enjoy the process and keep on creating. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and comment your feedback. What should I post next? Thank you.